Hey everyone, welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. Today, we're going over 15 awesome push-up variations, from beginner-friendly to advanced moves that will seriously challenge your strength, balance, and control. Whether you're looking to build your chest, shoulders, triceps, or core, or just want to spice up your workouts, I've got you covered. Stick around to the end because I'll show you some smooth combinations and progressions that'll take your push-up game to the next level. Let's jump right in. 1. Wide hand push-ups. Place hands wider than shoulder width on the floor. Keep your body in a straight line. Lower your chest until it's just above the floor. Press back up, focusing on chest engagement. 2. Decline push-ups. Place your feet on a sturdy surface, bench, box. Hands on the floor, lower chest toward the ground. Push back up, emphasizing shoulders and upper chest. Don't arch your back. Keep your core tight. Choose the right height for your strength level. 3. Kneeling push-ups. Knees on the ground, hands under shoulders. Lower chest toward the floor, keeping hips aligned. Press back up without letting hips sag. Engage your core, even on your knees. Keep a long neck. Don't crane forward. 4. Pike push-ups. Start in downward dog, hips high, hands on the floor. Bend elbows, lowering head toward the floor. Push back up, focusing on your shoulders. Keep your back straight, not rounded. Look between your feet, not forward. 5. Classic push-ups. Hands under shoulders, body straight. Lower until the chest nearly touches the floor. Push back up evenly. Squeeze glutes plus core. Avoid letting hips sag or pike up. 6. Single leg push-ups. Start in push-up position. Lift one leg off the ground. Perform push-ups while keeping the leg elevated. Switch legs halfway. Keep hips level, don't twist. Start with a small range if balance is tough. 7. Incline push-ups. Place hands on a bench or elevated surface. Keep your body straight. Lower chest to the surface. Push back up. Great for beginners or warm-ups. Focus on clean form, not speed. 8. Archer push-ups. Start wide. Shift weight over one arm and extend the other arm out lower toward the bent arm side. Push back up, alternate sides. Keep hips square. Move slowly to control balance. 9. Clock push-ups. Perform a push-up, then step hands around like moving on a clock face. Do another push-up at each position. Keep movement smooth between positions. Stay light on hands, don't slam. 10. Finger push-ups. Same as regular push-up, but balancing on fingers. Advanced. Lower carefully, minimizing strain. Warm up fingers, wrists first. Start with partial reps if needed. 11. Rotational push-ups. Do a push-up, then rotate into side plank with one arm up. Return to center. Repeat to the other side. Move smoothly between positions. Keep your hips lifted in the side plank. 12. Transitioning from kneeling push-ups. Start on your knees, perform a push-up. Gradually shift to toes. Classic push-up for part of the set. Focus on form, not speed. Use this as a strength progression. 13. Decline. Kneeling push-ups on box. Knees on an elevated surface. Hands on the floor. Perform push-ups with knees supported. Keep your core tight. Avoid collapsing hips. Great for building shoulder strength safely. 14. Elevated push-ups. Hands on parallel bars or blocks, allowing deeper chest drop. Lower deeper than floor level, then press up. Don't overextend your shoulders. Control the bottom range carefully. 15. Kneeling rotational push-ups. Kneeling push-up plus rotate into kneeling side plank. Return to center, alternate sides. Focus on full rotation through the shoulders. Keep glutes engaged. 16. Push-ups to side plank. Full push-up, then rotate into full side plank on feet. Return to center. Repeat on other side. Pause briefly in the side plank. Watch your hip alignment. 17th. Chest tap push-ups. Perform an explosive push-up. Tap chest at the top. Land softly, lower again. Keep elbows slightly bent on landing. Engage the core to stay stable. 18. Pike to Cobra push-ups. Start in Pike. Shift forward into Cobra. Hips low, chest lifted. Push back into Pike. Move fluidly using breath. Great for mobility as well as strength. There you go. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. Drop a comment below. Which push-up variation was your favorite? Or which one are you going to try next? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more health, wellness, and training tips.